good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. I'm Amanda Sesianani, and I'm from 5th morning class at STBA Technocrat, and I will explain about a company for my final exam that I choose is PT Garuda Indonesia Persero Tbk. Known as Garuda Indonesia is Indonesia's national airline headquartered at Garuda City Management Building, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Tangerang, Banten, Indonesia, and has an area approximately 17,000 square meters. Garuda Indonesia is apparently the only SkyTeam member in Indonesia and operates scheduled flights to a number of destinations covering the continent of Asia, Europe, and Australia from Jakarta, as well as focal cities and another cities for Hajj flight. The island is the only Indonesian island to fly to Europe and Oceania. The island also flew to the Americas until the late 1990s. How did the name of Garuda Indonesia come out? So, on 25 December 1949, a representative of KLM, Koninklijke Luchtvaart Maatschappij, is the Dutch national airline, also known as Royal Dutch Airline, and friend of President Soekarno, Dr. Koningsberg, came to Yogyakarta and reported to the president that KLM Interinsular Bandrij would be handed over the government in accordance with the result of a round table conference, or KMB, and asked him to give a name to the company because the plane that would take him from Yogyakarta to Jakarta would be painted according to that name. In response, President Soekarno answered the question by following a line from a Dutch poem composed by the famous colonial poet Raden Mas Noto Suroto, which means, "I am Garuda, Vishnu's bird that spread its wings high above your islands." So, on 28 December 1949, a historic flight using a DC-3 aircraft with registration RI-001 owned by KLM Interest flew carrying President Soekarno from Yogyakarta to Jakarta to attend his inauguration ceremony as President of Republik Indonesia, or RIS, under the name of Garuda Indonesia Airways, which was given by President Soekarno to this First Islands company. Does Garuda Indonesia have vision and mission? Of course, Garuda do. Vision of Garuda Indonesia is to be a reliable airline company by offering quality services to the world community. While emphasizing Indonesian hospitality, Garuda Indonesia's ambition is become Asia's leading aviation group recognized for its quality, service, and exceptional customer experience. Simple one: to become a reliable airline company by offering quality services to the world community using Indonesian hospitality. And for mission, there are four. First, shareholder means maximize the value of the group to provide good share value returns among regional airlines. And the second, customer means provide Indonesian hospitality and the world best experience to customer. And the third, process, implement things, cost leadership, and signaling within the group. And last, people, engaging employees who are passionate and proud in carrying out their duties. Garuda Indonesia is also committed promoting Indonesia to the world throughout the professional and quality flight services as well as maintaining the nation's positive image in the international area. Garuda Indonesia has some interesting slogans used are more oriented toward the movement to provide affordable air transport services and reach all regions. The slogan itself comes from a phrase combining two sentences that aim to be easily remembered by the general public and strengthen people's memory of services provided by the airline. Even some slogans make drastic change in their delivery, such as Pan American World Airways, which carries the theme "You Can Beat the Experience." It became famous and popular as the slogan equaled the quality of work. And there are 4 slogans that are still being embraced today, such as first, because you matter from 2020 until now. The second, the Airline of Indonesia 1991 until now. The third, Experience 2009 until now. And last, look forward from 2009 until now. Garuda Indonesia operates flight to 96 destinations, 72 domestic and 24 international in 12 countries including Indonesia, with around 500 operators from its hub in Jakarta, Denpasar, and Makassar. The airline serves flight to 3 continents such as Asia, Australia, and Europe, with its fleet 73 aircraft like predominantly Boeing 737-800NG aircraft, with one Boeing 777-300ER aircraft leased to the Indonesian government. In June 2015, Garuda Indonesia committed to order 30 Boeing 737 MAX aircraft, 30 Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft, and 30 Airbus A350HWNB aircraft. In early 2016, Garuda ordered 14 Airbus A330neo aircraft. On 9 October 2017, Garuda retired its Boeing 747-400 aircraft due to its age and fuel consumption. In March 2019, Garuda reported canceled its order for 49 Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft following 2 consecutive accidents involving the aircraft with Lion Air Flight 6 and 10 and Ethiopian Airlines Flight 30 and 2. Because everything cannot stand alone, any support from neither parties, so Garuda Indonesia in July 2012 signed a 3-year sponsorship agreement with Premier League club Liverpool FC. The agreement gives Garuda the right as official partner of Liverpool Football Club and official global airline partner of Liverpool Football Club. In addition, during the 2012 until 2013 season, every Liverpool home game at Anfield, a 6-minute Garuda video ads were publicly screened. This partnership with Liverpool will provide Garuda Indonesia with media exposure to increase brand awareness in international markets more effectively with maximum benefits. Given that the Garuda Indonesia brand will receive a higher frequency of airtime with longer broadcast duration. And in 2013, Liverpool embarked on an ASEAN tour with Indonesia as one of the destination countries. Throughout the tour, it is hoped that this visit will improve the quality of football in Indonesia. Besides, in the world of football, to support the visit target of 20 million tourists in Indonesia, in 2019, Garuda Indonesia will increase the number of aircraft with the Wonderful Indonesia logo on them starting this year. Garuda Indonesia's Commercial Director Handayani told a year-end press conference at Ministry of Tourism, Sabta Pesona Building, Jakarta in February 2016 that at least 5 additional Garuda Indonesia aircraft will have the wonderful Indonesia logo installed on them as a form of the cooperation between Garuda Indonesia and the Ministry of Tourism. Hopefully, this will be support Indonesian tourism, Handayani said. In addition, Garuda Indonesia will provide tourism support in the form of flight route development by strengthening flight routes that are found in the tourism sector such as Labuan Bajo, Lombok, and Wakatobi. Do you want to know the development of Garuda employees from year to year? So, the number of employees has decreased significantly in recent years. The following is a breakdown of the number of employees from 2019 until now. In 2019, there are 7,878 employees. 2020 decreased to 5,946 employees, approximately 25% decrease. 2021 decreased again to 5,203 employees, a decrease of around 12%. 2022, the number of employees is recorded at 4,459%, decrease of around 14%. Since 2019, the Garuda Indonesia has reduced the number of employees as part of its restructuring the cost efficiency effort triggered by the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the aviation business. At the end of December 2022, Garuda Indonesia's headcount was reported to be 12,160 employees, including subsidiaries, after a reduction from the previous number. Garuda Indonesia's corporate plan focuses on transformation and restructuring from 2022 to 2026, emphasizing on three key values: simple, profitable, and full service. Key initiatives including optimize the route network, reducing operational costs, and improving digital services. In 2023, the theme Beyond the Limit aims to improve performance through personalized customer experience and increase domestic flight. The company will also increase cargo operation and ancillary revenue while focusing on sustainable and post-pandemic recovery. This strategy approach aims to make Garuda a formidable player in aviation industry. Maybe enough from me, and thank you so much for your nice attention and enjoy your flight.
Sharing the same passion brings people around the world together as one family. Garuda Indonesia is proud to be the official global airline partner of Liverpool Football Club.